Alright, so I pulled the 15-inch Dayton Audio powered subwoofer into the living room here for a little bit more bass and found out that it's blown. The speaker's blown. Sounds like absolute crap. And it looks like it's a crap-made subwoofer anyway. I think the plate amplifier back there is in good shape. It's 150 watt RMS, 300 watt peak, I think. And the enclosure is really, really nice. Looks like 1.5 MDF. Pull the light over here. But my problem is replacement subwoofer speaker is got to fit inside here, because this is like, it isn't flat. It's got a lip here for the grill, and then this is where you actually screw it in to the enclosure. But the diameter from here to here is 15.25. And I was looking at Skar Audio Sub, and it's 15.33, which might be just a little bit too big. I don't know. If you have any ideas, let me know. But I need to replace this thing. It's blown. It's freaking blown. It's really not made that great. It's made for volume, you know, mass selling and stuff. So, yeah, 4 ohm. All right. If you have any ideas, let me know. Thanks.